What's up, y'all? It's Makayla here, back with another video, and in today's video I will be showing you guys how I do another protective style. And first, I would just like to thank all of my new subscribers. I actually hit 100. If you guys like my shirt, I did make it myself. Please go click the card above if you want to see this video on how I made this shirt. Now we can get right into the video. So my hair is freshly washed and I didn't redo my rinse or anything. So this week I just want to do something low maintenance and something I can just leave my hair alone. So first things first, I'm just going to part my hair down the middle. Okay, so now I'm just gonna take this side of my hair and clip it off with this clip. Then I'm gonna take my rat tool comb again and part my hair going in a circular motion. And I'm just gonna part this off. This hairstyle that I'm about to do can be done with braids or twists. This is the parts. So now, before I start twisting, I'm going to use my Blue Magic Original Super Sure Grow grease to grease my scalp. Now I'm going to take my Shea Moisture 100% coconut oil, which I'm almost out, as you can see, and I'm going to put that all over my hair. Alright, so now I'm going to get my Silk Elements Strengthened Silk Edge Gel and my Eco Styler Gel to do my edges before I start twisting. I'm going to take one of my small rubber bands and rubber band it at the nape of my neck. So that is my first twist. I'm going to repeat the same process, taking the grease and greasing my part. And again, make a diagonal part, a little triangle. And again, I'm twisting over. So, taking another rubber band and rubber banding it at the nape of my neck. Now I'm going to repeat the same exact steps on the other side and I'll be right back. Alright, so I parted my hair off and I did my edges on this side again. So now I'm just going to start twisting. Okay, and last but not least, I'm going to take my last section So now that I have that done, I'm just going to take my satin scarf to tie down my edges. Okay, so after I let my edges sit, now I'm going to show you guys the 2 different ways you can style your 2 pigtails. But this is the first style, and I'm going to Alright, you guys, so now to the second style. I'm going to put it into one bun. Alright, you guys, for the last style, I'm just going to take my bun maker. And now I have a nice, big, smooth bun. My hairstyle is complete and it looks so nice. Like I said, if you guys would like to see more protective hairstyles, please click the videos above. I have a lot of hairstyles like this with Kanekalon hair, without Kanekalon hair on my channel. I just like to give a lot of options for protective styles. Once again, thank you to all my new subscribers. Please continue to share my video. I have a lot of great things to offer on my channel: DIYs, fashion, hair, advice, all that good stuff. So I just want to say thank you. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe if you haven't already. I hope you have a blessed day.